Bhavna Sobi. I'm a vice principal of an international school and a cosmetologist. Of course, being in the trade of beauty was not that easy. Me coming from a very conservative family, of course, after my marriage, my husband was very helpful.
I then followed a diploma in cosmetology at the Ceylon Academy of Beauty Culture and Hairdressing. To further brush up my skills, I went to Malaysia, Singapore to attend workshops.
Subsequently, my children came into the picture, and I have to be with them, spend more time, as a mother. I had to spend time with them. So after a while, after they grew up, I was able to go back to my dream, pursuing my dream. Being with children, I had this, liking for children, so I thought, okay, why not become a teacher as well? So I started teaching in an international school after following a diploma in economics.
Subsequently, I followed a degree in social sciences at the Open University of Sri Lanka. During this course of time, I was able to present several research papers at the Student Research Symposium held in 2017. In the year 2014, I was appointed as a head of the middle school, and at this point, I started my master's degree in education at the Aldersgate University of Philippines, so that I will be able to serve better to my children, school and society at large. In the year 2019, I was appointed as a vice principal of examination, teacher training and extra and co-curricular activities. In 2020 December, I graduated for my master's degree program.
2019 was indeed a very fruitful year for me. Being in the field of cosmetology, being a Western qualified beautician, I established my very own salon. Well, subsequently, I gave it a thought. Having such beautiful women in Sri Lanka, beautiful girls, I wanted to have a little bit of the aesthetic touch in my profession. So, I followed a diploma in Ayurveda, beauty culture and hairdressing and product manufacturing at the IICA.
In the year 2020, February, I launched my very own herbal product, ranging from hair oil to skincare. The first product I launched was hair oils such as Sundar Kesha for hair fall control, Ruksha for dry hair, Kesara for anti-dandruff treatment. Subsequently, I was able to launch many other body oils, face packs and face scrubs, etc. Currently, I am following my PhD in education to be more resourceful to the younger generation and society. With the occurrence of the pandemic, it was essential that extreme health measures were taken to assure client safety. Post the curfew being lifted, I ensured that various parameters such as social distancing, limited appointments being taken, and further precaution for hygiene was taken at all times. However, I hope to gain customer confidence and resume the salon as per usual when the situation settles down.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank World Women Council, Women Icon Awards powered by Times Women for considering me worthy of such prestigious award. Finally, to all the aspiring young ladies, my advice is that perseverance always pays off. So go for it.